Hello everyone. Only recently occurred to me, why don't more YouTubers wear loungewear, dressing gowns, pyjamas in their videos? Starting a new trend, my friends. As you can see by the title, today I am doing a Missguided haul. Unless you've been living under a rock, you probably know that Missguided recently added a jeans and a nice top section to their website, which honestly is such a lifesaver. So today I thought I would do a little review of some of the things that are on that section. All the jeans that I picked up are from there. A few of the tops that I picked up were in that category as well, and a couple of the tops are just from their going out tops section. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't overly impressed with the tops on that category, but I liked a few of them, so I thought today we would see just how well they have done with their jeans and a nice top. I feel like I'm a professional at this because whenever I go out, it's always jeans and a nice top. I have all the prices on my laptop, so if I keep looking down, that is why. But the first thing that I've picked out is a pair of jeans. I've already ripped the label off, good start. Personally, I really struggle buying jeans because I have really long legs, and I saw that the Missguided jeans all have like regular sizing, and then you can choose short, regular or long. I tend to be about a size 8 long, so I think that's what I've ordered for all of the jeans, and I will see how well they fit. So the first pair look like this. They look quite small around the waist, but they are a little bit stretchy, she says with hope. And they are black. They feel quite thin, which is alright I guess, because like spring's coming up. They have rips in the knees, and they also have 2 rips in the thigh on this side. Oh, and a little like fake rip up there. And these are called the Sinner High Waist Authentic Skinny. I'll leave links to all of these items down in the description below, so if you see anything that you like the look of, it is down there. And these jeans were £25, so not too bad. The only thing I would say is they look like they've already faded a little bit. Like, you know when you have black jeans and then you wash them and they fade so quickly? They do look a little bit faded, so I don't hold out much hope that they're going to last very long. But if they fit, I feel like they'd be a right winner with a nice top. Next up, I've picked out another pair of jeans, so I'm guessing I'm going to do jeans first and then the nice top. If you're only interested in tops, then skip to this time, and that's where the tops begin. This is my first pair of white jeans, although they look quite cream, but I'm not sure how much of a fan of that I am. It says they're white on the website, but this definitely looks more cream to me. So I thought with a dark coloured top, these might look quite nice, or in the summer, a little pastel crop top. I was just intrigued to try out some of their white jeans. We will also have to do the see-through test and see if you can see anything you don't want to be seeing. I'm not keen. There's a lot of like creasing around here, which I'm not a fan of in jeans. Also, the bottoms of them are like a lot less skinny than the rest. So you get like the gathering at the bottom, which I'm not a fan of. And also, this is my underwear. They are quite see-through, you can definitely see a line there, but I've got white underwear on, so you can't see it too bad. However, if it was coloured, you would definitely be able to see through them. So they're comfortable, they're just not for me. They actually do look a lot more white on than I thought, so I guess that's a bonus. So I would give these jeans a 4 out of 10. The next pair are another pair of black jeans. However, these ones have less of a rip. They just have one little rip on the knee, but the bottom of them is kind of like ripped. I don't know, I really like the way it looks though. I also like that it looks really skinny. I hate when jeans are really nice and skinny and then it gets to the feet and they're just like mini bootleg. That is my pet peeve. But these ones, as you can see, they look tiny at the ankle, so I am actually really excited about these ones. These may be a new fave. They also don't look like they've faded as much as the other black ones, and these ones were £25. These jeans, I am such a fan of these. They only have a visible rip on this knee. This one is kind of like just semi-ripped. You can't see my skin, but like there's a rip there. They are really high-waisted, super skinny all the way down and at the bottom near my feet. I really like that. I think they're quite unusual. It kind of looks like a dog has just ripped your jeans at the bottom, but I'm a fan. These are definitely my favourite jeans that I've tried on so far. I would rate these jeans 10 out of 10, especially if you have long legs like I do. So the final pair I picked up are a blue pair. I am quite partial to a pair of blue jeans. I just think they're quite classic, like you can't really go wrong. And these ones were £20, so these are the cheapest pair of jeans that I picked up. They do look quite skinny. They are literally just like plain dark blue. And the bottoms of these are also kind of like raw cut, so I like that, although that looks like quite a wide ankle. Only time will tell. So these are the blue jeans. They're really dark blue, which I like because I feel like you could get away with wearing a black top with them. I know usually black and blue is like a no-go, but because these are so dark, I feel like you could definitely get away with it. They are super stretchy, super comfortable, and they're like plenty long enough for me, which is really good. I am so impressed with these jeans. I would give these 10 out of 10. I actually am obsessed with them, they're so comfy. Right, so moving on to the nice tops. I'm going to start out with the tops that I picked up from the jeans and a nice top section, and then I'll move on to the tops which I just picked up from their going out tops section. I picked up this bodysuit in this like beigey grey colour. This is actually suede. The only thing is, my first thought is it feels so thin, but it just has this like lace front. I thought this looked really nice on the model on the website, and it's a bodysuit. I'm not the biggest fan of bodysuits, but I mean, like, I'll suffer it. I'll have to try it on. Looking at it, I'm not sure if it's the right colour for me, but this was £20. It doesn't feel like £20 worth of quality though. The next top that I chose looks like this. It is this white high neck crop top, and as you can see, it's got little tassels on it. It's mesh at the top, and also the entire back is mesh, which, not gonna lie, I didn't realise. And this also looks very see-through, even through both layers. I can already tell this is gonna be a difficult one to wear. You're not gonna be able to wear a bra with that, but you're also not gonna be able to not wear a bra with that. I think this one's gonna have to be sent back, but I'll try it. I really liked the design. I love a bit of tassel. And this one was also £20. I feel like this one would look really nice with the ripped black jeans. This top looks okay. I would be much more inclined to wear the black one because I am concerned that it would be a bit see-through. I don't think it's too bad. I like the back of it, but I don't like that you can't wear a bra with it. I'm not a fan. I like the way it looks, but I just wouldn't be comfortable in it. But it's all right. I mean, it's not awful. I would give this a 5 out of 10. The next top that I picked out, of course, there was going to be a burgundy one in there. It is this high neck burgundy crop top. It feels really comfortable, really stretchy, but it doesn't feel too thin. And it just has this little like detailing around the stomach. I'm not sure how well you can see it on camera. It's like a little fake knot. I think it looks really cute. And I think this would look nice with any of the pairs of jeans that I bought, to be honest. But particularly the black ripped ones. I feel like this would look really nice with that. I'm imagining it with quite a like natural makeup look, with some big hoops, some lip gloss. I feel like that would look really nice together. And maybe some little like black high heel boots. Yes, I can see it in my mind. And this was only £12, so one of the cheapest things that I picked up in this haul, and probably my favourite so far. I have high hopes for you, my friend. This top I actually really like. The sleeves are nice and long. It's like kind of a scuba-y material, but not like the unbearable type of scuba. So it's nice and stretchy, it's comfortable. Although I will say at the elbow it feels quite tight. I think that's just because of the material, but like, it's not unbearable. I like the style of it, I like the colour. It's just nice and easy to wear. Like, there's not really too much to say about this top. It's just simple. I would give this top a 8 out of 10. And then the final thing that I picked from the jeans in a nice top section is another white top. Again, it's high neck. This is really difficult to show you, but it's another bodysuit. It's got a little keyhole detail on the back, and it is like open sleeve, so all the way down the sleeve is open. Really nice with the black or the blue jeans. Again though, it does look quite see-through, so I'll have to try it out, but I really like this one. And this one was £18. This one I'm not too sure about. It fits me really well. Apart from around the neck, I feel like that's just a bit weird because it's like tight at the bottom of the neck, but this bit kind of like funnels out. I don't know, it's a bit weird. It doesn't seem to be see-through, which is very good. And remember, it's a bodysuit and it's long enough for me, but it's really stretchy material, so I would recommend this one if you're tall. However, the sleeves, I feel like they just disappear. In the picture, it looks kind of more like that, but when you're actually doing bits, it don't look like that. My arms just keep falling out of them like this. So that's not ideal. Other than that little design flaw, I feel like if it had just a bit of something somewhere up the arm, it would hold it together a bit, but that's a shame because other than that I really like this one. Now I'm going to go through the going out tops. This section of Missguided's website always works for me. I can always find something on there that's suitable for like wherever I'm going. So the first thing that I have chosen, I really like this, is this wrap blouse crop top. As you can see, it's like elasticated at the waist. The waist, the stomach, the bottom bit. I like the champagne-y colour of this. I like that it's like satin. I thought I saw a hole in it then. My world nearly came crashing down. It's long sleeves, it's got elasticated sleeves at the bottom as well. I just thought with some black heels, some really simple black heels, and the black ripped skinny jeans, this would be a really nice contrast, because then it would be classy on top, a little bit edgy on the bottom. You get what I'm saying? This is described as pink on the website. Defo doesn't look pink to me, but this was £18 and I'm so excited to try this one on. I actually love it. It looks so nice. You might need a little bit of tape though, just to keep the wrap wrapped. I'm gonna have to be careful how I show you this top. I feel like it could definitely do with a stitch in there because this piece of fabric just likes to swing about everywhere. That is not very safe. Although saying that, I feel like I could have gone down a size in this top. I got a size 8, but I feel like with this one, you need to downsize a bit because generally I just think it feels a bit big, and all around here it feels big. Just everywhere it feels quite loose. It just needs like a little stitch in it to keep it in place and then it'd be fine. So I might just put a stitch in, or I might order a size down and see if that fits better. But I do really like this top. I like the colour of it. The elastic isn't too tight at all, so it's not uncomfortable. I would rate this one a solid 7 out of 10. When it has a stitch, probably a 9. And now we're down to our final 2 items. So the first thing, I'm finally going to add a little bit of colour to this haul. It's quite similar to the last. It's this little red wrap top. As you can see, it's got little frilly details on the sleeves and all around the neckline and along the bottom. I wasn't 100% sure on this on the website. It looks okay, but I feel like it's one of those tops where you put it on, you'll be like, oh, this looks so much different to how I thought it was going to look. It's the only top that I've picked up that is like this jersey material. You know, the material is just comfortable to wear, like it's stretchy, you don't have to worry about anything during the night. It will either look really nice or it will look too frilly, too girly, and I'll look like a little bit of a girly old lady, so we shall see. And this was also £12, so a joint cheapest in this haul. With an all black outfit though, I have visions for this. This top, where do I start? I don't know whether I love or hate it, quite honestly. It's a really nice, easy to wear top. It would be nice if you're going out for a meal or something like that. It's not a night out kind of top at all. I think it's only just in the going out top category. But a bonus is that I don't feel like it looks too girly. You might disagree, I don't know, but I feel like when it's on, the frills are quite spread out, so it doesn't look like really frilly. And it is really comfortable, so that's a bonus, but I would only wear this top with high-waisted jeans, definitely. But generally, it's all right. I'm pretty pleasantly surprised with this. I don't hate it at all, and I'm half expecting to. So I would rate this top a 6 out of 10. And then the final thing that I picked out is something that I've seen on the internet so much, on Instagram, on Facebook ads, on other clothing websites like Pretty Little Thing. I'm pretty sure they do like really similar items to this. It's another bodysuit, so on the front, it looks quite plain. Firstly, not a fan of this colour. Did not think that through with my pale skin. But once I have a spray tan, this might look alright, so who knows. On the front, it's like very business. It has little flared sleeves though, which is quite cute. And then the back is like all lace. This looks so pretty. On every model I have seen this on, it has looked amazing. Probably not going to look the same on me, but we can try. I thought if I never try, I'll never know. I'm not that much of a fan of the front, to be honest. I feel like it would be very unflattering with this neckline, but the back definitely makes up for it. Also, does it really annoy anyone else when you click on the tops section and the bodysuits come up? I feel like there should be different sections because I'm quite a tall person, so generally speaking, bodysuits don't fit me because I have quite a long torso. I just wish clothing websites would separate bodysuits and tops because I want tops. Sometimes I've got to settle for a bodysuit, and that's not good enough for me. Missguided, if you're watching, please take note of that. If you take away one thing from this haul, please add a separate bodysuit section. Please and thank you. Something that I've just noticed with this is that the whole thing isn't lace up. Like, these bits are fixed. That bit you can't tighten, so if this doesn't fit you perfectly, they're gonna look all baggy at the back. Oh, none of it is lace up, so that's something to bear in mind. Possibly you may need to downsize with this one, and this one was £18. Okay, so this is what the bodysuit looks like. I actually really do like this. Obviously you can't wear a bra with it because of the back, so you don't want to be going out like in the winter in this. But I feel like it's not see-through. The back of it is actually really nice. I mean, like, my concern is a little bit true with this. Like, it's not really tight enough on me, but that's just me. Don't you think that looks really nice? The only thing I'm gonna say is because I'm tall and I've got a long torso, I have the world's biggest wedgie right now, but that's kind of like generally what happens with me in bodysuits. It's very rare that I find one that fits me right, but I like the flared sleeves. Overall, I would give this bodysuit an 8 out of 10. P.S. I was just starting to edit this video. Good job I didn't move my camera or anything because I realised I was missing an item. I tweeted Missguided. They asked for the order number. I thought I'd double check. Found it. So the actual final item that I picked out was this white bodysuit, which is like panelled down the side. I know it seems really hard to like comprehend. And yeah, it's a bodysuit, it's like jersey material. I can't remember how much it was, BRB. This was £15 and this is actually the item that I was most excited about. And so I was a little bit gutted when I realised it was missing. However, it's not missing, it's right here. So that is the final item. So that is everything that I picked up from the Missguided jeans and a nice top section. If you're like me and you also love a jean and a nice top combo, I'd really recommend going on to Missguided and having a look. Like I said before, I'll leave links to all of these items in the description down below, so if you saw anything and you thought, oh, quite like that, you can go and check it out. I know, such a provider, making your life so simple. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your go-to outfit for a night out? Mine is definitely jeans and a nice top. Are you more of a dresses person, a skirts person? Do let me know. Make sure you subscribe to see my future videos. Sometimes they're alright, sometimes they're not. But anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!